I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Propolis Cream. Cleanse your skin, apply a pea-sized amount to the target area, and gently massage until fully absorbed. Use twice daily for best comfort, avoiding open wounds and broken skin. Patch test on a small area for 24 hours to check sensitivity. If irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult a clinician. Store the cream in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Start with clean, dry skin and warm the cream between fingertips for easier spread. Apply in gentle upward motions, covering the area with a thin layer, and avoid rubbing harshly. Combine with a fragrance-free moisturizer if additional hydration is needed, waiting 3 to 5 minutes between layers. Use sunscreen during the day as some users may notice increased sun sensitivity. Keep a consistent routine for several weeks to see gradual improvement. Quick recommendation: if you want to save time on floors while caring for skin, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control for hands-free cleaning. It picks up pet hair, dust, and spills so you can focus on your skincare routine and avoid tracking mess onto treated areas. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Propolis Cream contains bee-derived resin, antioxidants, and soothing agents that support skin barrier repair. Check the ingredient list for alcohol or essential oils if you have sensitive skin, and avoid known allergens. For pregnant or breastfeeding users, consult a clinician before regular use. If you experience severe redness, swelling, blistering, or persistent pain, stop using immediately and seek medical advice. Use only as directed and keep out of reach of children.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.